Attention. Welcome back. We done the fish, hoping you like it. The fish have a flavor I never saw before. It was like, that was special, there was something magical with the fish. Now, as you remember, I spoke to my friend Mayogo, the peanuts boy, the peanuts man, sorry. And I was thinking, after such a lovely fish, so much spice, why we don't give it a bit of a sweetness on what we're going to do. So I'm going to do a peanuts cookie for you. To do a peanut cookie, it's very simple. Peanuts cookies. For that recipe, you will need 500 grams of self-raising flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 200 grams of butter, 200 grams of sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 eggs, 1 cup of coconut milk, 100 grams of roasted peanuts. We can get the butter. Butter is good for you, it's very healthy. You need butter to have a good life. There we are. So we put in the butter, lovely butter, and also the sugar. So we put the sugar. I got up here about 200 grams of sugar. Why I'm putting the butter and the sugar together, I'm going to cream it. So we don't have those lumps in there. So I'm going to cream it a bit. I'll do it by hand, better, easy, so I could show you people in the house, you don't have a blender like we have, so we stay together and we work it up together like that. We do a quick one like that, make a bit of a paste, so the sugar is together with the butter, as you see. The mix is not finished, but as you see, the butter is full of sugar. It's not melted yet, but it's the way I want it. So I will retain the grain in there when I'm going to cook my cookies. And it's perfect. One more time, dry. One more time, dry. Perfect. Back in a bowl. We also need salt all the time. Don't forget the salt in your cooking, even the sweet. I will put 1 dash of salt and that's all. Now what I have here, I have self-raising flour. So I will use my self-raising flour. I will put them in there. I have also baking powder. Then I will put him in there, about a teaspoon. There we are. Now, Kyo. Pass him. Pass him low up. Pass him low here. Low up. So I get the white of the eggs off. I will use only the yellow. When I'm taking the white off, because I want only the egg yolk to stick together with my cooking, to give more flavor. The white will make it too sticky, and I don't want to. So 2 eggs. Flavor before. We have also coconut milk. And coconut milk, Blanc Milk Blanc, Comble, France. We got plenty of coconut trees in Paris. Coconut milk, Blanc Milk Blanc, lick, not too much. And now, I'll use my hand. See, we start to get a paste, a bit. Remember what we have in there? We got ramu sugar, we got butter, we got baking powder, we got salt, and of course, self-raising flour. Till we come up to the stage where your hand will start to get clean. That's what you want to do. You see, because everything is mixing up together now. This is perfect. So for you to have a better view of what I'm going to do, I'm going to transfer the flour up here, so you can see what I'm talking about. It's getting start. Lovely. That's what you should have. When you finish your mix, when you go like that, your hand should be clean. Make sure you wash your hand before you do it. You have to be clean. Now, peanut Blanc Milk Blanc. Peanut Blanc Milk Blanc, no lick, milk blanc peanut. You looking finished or not, guys? Okay, all the peanuts, be generous. Okay, what I done, I roast my peanuts before. You could use fresh peanuts, up to you, so we cover it. We're going to flatten him down a little bit. So we make the peanuts going everywhere. I like plenty peanuts. The kids love it. Everybody love it. I'll roast it until cooked, nice and brown. Depends what kind of fire you're using. If you're going to barbecue, you put him in the oven, you can work him too, and to plus something. They're my peanuts cookies. Perfect. It's cracking, it's much to crack because it's a bit like a shortbread, so it's got a lot of butter in there. So get a knife or get your hand. I will get my hand like that. I will roll them up one by one, like this one. Lovely. The mix is perfect. It's excellent. What you do, get your cookie down there, 3 fingers, push him down, and cookie for you. 1 cookie. Good for school. You roll them up, click, put him in the hand below you, push him down. And that's all. So I'm got strap low up. And you see the penas, you look him good, huh? You don't have to put only penas. You like him put him some carinates or plain or some something. I'm good plan. Time we go to school, kiss him cookie. And now we go for the last one, a little one more. Okay, now, you need an oven to cook these cookies. Okay, you could fry them in a fry pan if you want, but I will not recommend it. So, we have an oven down there that's been preheated at 200 degrees. And I'm going to put those cookies on a tray and we're going to cook them. There we right. So, remember when you put the cookies on the trees, on a tray, put them on a tree, down there with the apple. When you put the cookies on the tray, not the trees, don't get me wrong, must separate them a little bit because you remember we have self-raising flour in there. And the eggs, I will push up a little bit. So we are nearly ready. We got 6 by 3. So that 500 grams of flour give you 12 cookies. So I'm going to get the tray into the oven at 200 degrees. That's one in there, and there's another one in there. The cookies in the oven, 200 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes. You must look in the color blue, like time of color blue, we go brown, nick, or gold. I'm ready, finish. So I'm going to have a cup of coffee, and I will show you when you come back, when they're cooked, what the cookies should look like. Here we are. It's about 25 minutes, now the cookies should be cooked. Let's go and have a look. I need my towel for my hands, I will burn my finger, but I don't need it. I'm a professional baker also. Oh, lovely. They're lovely. Not too hot. That's all right. Yeah, one tray here. Lovely. Perfect. Cooked lovely. Perfect. Excellent. Move. Get the plate. Get the plate up here. There we are. You got those lovely peanuts cookies, but as I said before, it's the base of the cookies. You could put peanuts, or you could put no peanuts, or you could put coconuts, or you put anything you want. And it's up to you. Lovely, lovely, lovely. They look good. They look excellent. Now, that is the gold, flaky, crispy flavor. And you have to open a cookie in the middle, and you could see they're lovely. They're cooked perfectly. They're a bit moist on the middle, and they're crispy on the outside. That's what you want, and that's what we have. The cookies, they're excellent. Perfectly good. And I will have a special thanks to Omni Limited, who done the beautiful kitchen, who will make it possible for us to bake things like cookies, anything we're going to do up here. Thank you so much. Professionally done, excellent magic. Please send us a message or mail or something like that, because we know each other, but we never spoke to each other. I hope you like the show. You know the address, tasteofpg@amtv.com.pg. Bon appétit, au revoir, à bientôt, see you next.
Taste of PNG is brought to you by Origin Energy.